Hi friends, today we are going to read the story How to Catch the Wind. The author is Anjali Vaidya and the illustrator is Yvette Salom. Now what is wind? Yes, it is the air that blows from one place to the other. Now can we really catch this air? Am I catching it? Then how is it possible to catch the wind? Let us see in our today's story. Air is always around us. Moving air is called wind. When wind blows, it carries energy. So, air is always around us, and the air that moves is called wind. Yes, and when wind blows, it goes like this. What does it do? It carries energy. What is energy? Energy is where we can, when we have energy, we are able to run, we are able to do a lot of work, right? It is the ability that can produce some activity is called energy. So when wind moves like this, it has energy in it to do some things. The wind's energy can lift kites into the sky. So, what does this wind do? See this picture. You're flying a kite, right? It can lift all the way up. It goes up in the air. And then what does it do for this bird? It then took a small feather out of this bird. So, this wind's energy can do multiple things. When something resists the wind's movement, its energy can build up. What does it mean? If something resists, if something stops, the wind is going like this and it is stopping it, the wind's movement, then its energy gets added up. It keeps on growing up, up, up. It becomes bigger and bigger before releasing in a violent burst. So, what happens? Look at this picture. So, it becomes bigger and becomes more and more, right? And then it lets out a very strong, forceful wind. And look at this tree in this picture. Everything is falling off because it is so powerful at this time. But we can also capture the wind's energy and change it into energy that we can use. So, we can actually catch hold of this wind's energy and then make it into something that we can all use for our good. Turbines help us transform wind energy into electrical energy. The energy of moving air makes the blades of a wind turbine spin. Lots of new words here. Turbines are nothing but this structure or thing that you see here. Have you seen turbines in where you live? These are like huge, big structures which stand tall and have these blades which keep spinning, which keep moving like this because the air is blowing on them. These things are called turbines. And what do? They transfer the energy that comes from the wind and they convert it into electrical energy. You see current coming in your houses, right? That is from electrical energy. So the moving air, the energy from that makes the turbine, the blades of the turbine spin. These are the blades. These three things you see in this picture, they are the blades of a turbine. A fan also has blades like this, right? These are called blades. And when air moves, when it comes and hits here, these blades move like this and that is called a spin. And the spinning blades change wind energy into electricity. So, see this picture. The blades that are moving like this in a circular fashion, right? They convert the wind energy, so through these machines that you're seeing here, into electricity, and that's how from electricity we see a bulb glow or light up, right? We can use this electricity long after the wind stops blowing. So, this current or electricity that is produced, we can use it even after the wind stops blowing. Can be stored and be used whenever we need it. Let us go through the difficult words in the story once more. Energy, the power to do some activity or some work. Then resist, block, or prevent, stop. Violent, very fierce. Releasing, letting out. Capture, catch. Transform, change from one form to another form. The blades, the ones you can see in this picture, this is a blade. Spin, moving in a circular fashion. So that's it. We have looked at all the tough words. Please write it in your notebook or try to learn it by memory. Learn these new words if you do not know already. Energy, power to do some activity. Resist, prevent, block. Wind, moving air. Release, let out. Capture, catch. Now that you've understood the story, try these questions. What is this story about? What did you learn from the story? Have you seen turbines? I hope you enjoyed reading the story along with me. Thank you.